Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start our chapter that is app development. Today we are going to start the chapter that is app development. First of all, I would like to tell you what do you mean by app. App is a short form, and if I just open this abbreviation, so Pari, I have unmuted you. Pari, unmute yourself and tell me what is the full form for app. Yes, Pari.
Ma'am, app.
App means application, and I have seen right now Adarsh, Aksh, Arnav Chaudhary, Heram, Janvi, Farman, and Vinayak have closed their video. I am just saying that I'll not be allowing you to close your video. Please make your video visible. Yes, we are just on the topic that what is app. So app means application. What does app mean? App means application. Okay, Arnav, what does app means? I have unmuted you. What does app means?
Application.
Okay, you all have seen applications like right now you are using. For example, you are using a paint. You are doing drawing in computer. What is that? That is an application, right or wrong? That is your application. Okay, so let's see the things. We read barcodes, photographs, everything which we are using. You are having you are watching photos. Like I have opened this image. So what is this? This is opened in an application. I am able to see it in your application. Hiram, please check your network connections. From the network connections from my side is absolutely okay. And application is required to do a specific task. For example, I am having an application of Word. I can write. So whether I can color in it, if I am doing painting, then can I just listen songs in paint? So for everything, we have a particular application. Janvi, Aksh, and Hiram, make your video visible with Hitansh. And if you are seeing that ma'am is not watching you all, then ma'am is. Okay, Adarsh and Vinayak also. Then what is it? Since smartphone, tablets, and other mobile devices are nothing but a small computer, you all are having Android phone. Maximum of you are using it just for taking your classes. So you are having different application, your Udity app, you get your classwork, your homework, all the things which you are getting is from a particular application. Uh, yes, Janvi, I have unmuted you. Tell me, have you understood what is an app?
Very much types of things.
Okay. If I am for a particular thing, I am having a particular app, or from any app, I can do anything.
No, ma'am, for a particular thing, we all are having a particular app.
Very good. I think now this topic is little bit clear to you all. And anybody, okay, Aksh, I have unmuted you. Tell me, in your phone, you download a particular app from where?
Ma'am, Play Store.
Very good. Play Store. And mainly it is known as Google Play Store. Okay. And for example, somebody is having an Apple iPhone, means iPhone. You are having an iPhone. Then from which app, from which application you are going to download? Yes, Arnav, unmute yourself and tell me.
App Store.
Very good, App Store. Okay, so we are having types of app. What are the types of app? I'll be telling you there are 3 types of app, and when I'll tell you the names, you will be clear with the things. For example, first is desktop app. Now I would be asking Pari to explain desktop app. What do you mean by desktop app, Pari?
Ma'am, these apps can be used on. Ma'am, these apps can be used on laptop or desktops.
Okay, Pari, I know that. Very good. Try again. The applications which are, Pari, I'll explain it. Wait, beta. Pari has said one thing correct, that the desktop app means the apps which are for our laptop or for the desktop. We don't need any web access. For example, your computer is having an application that is Microsoft Office. In Microsoft Office, there is Word, there is PowerPoint, and there is many things. But for working that, do you all time need net? Yes, for that, do you all time once unmute yourself and tell me, for the running Word and for running PowerPoint, do you need net facility every time? Yes, once unmute yourself. Okay, Farman, you unmute yourself and let me know that for Paint, Notepad or spreadsheet, do we need net?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Ma'am, can be or cannot be.
Okay, I don't want to search any image. Okay, now tell me.
Ma'am, need. We need.
You need. Actually, you only need net when it is required to search something. For example, I have to download an image from a net or Google, and then I have to place it. If I want to just type a presentation or I have to just write, I don't need net. मीन्स मुझे ओपन करने के लिए नेट की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, वो ओपन होंगे बिना नेट के भी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू आर हैविंग अ गेम, your game is some online game, and if there would be no net, would you be able to play it? Ayush, I am asking it from you. I have unmuted you. You are playing some game. For example, you are playing PUBG. It would work without net? Okay. And for opening Word, Paint, do I need net to open Word, Paint or PowerPoint?
No.
So now you have understood, in desktop app, it is not required that you should be having net facility for every time. Okay. For specific things, you should be having a net facility. For example, I am using this app for teaching you online. As I am teaching you online, that's why I need a net facility. But for clicking a picture or something, I don't need net facility. So let's come to next one. Yes, let's come to web app. Now, what is web app? These are the apps which require internet connections. I had already told you that desktop apps does not require net connection, but web apps require network connections. For example, you are having the web apps can be in both. Can be like I want to use Google. If you are having Google in your phone or if you are having Google in your laptop, it can work without net. Yes, others, tell me, if I'm using Google, I want to surf anything. So can I use it without net?
No.
Okay, very good. So I think it is clear to you all that we are having three types of app, that is desktop app, web app, and mobile app. Desktop app are the apps which does not require internet, and web app are the app for which we every time need a full internet connection. Now let's talk about mobile app. I think somebody should explain me mobile apps. Yes, Ayush, would you like to explain me mobile apps? Unmute yourself and tell me mobile apps. It is very easy. You all are using it.
Yes. A mobile laptop. Sure.
What? I think from Ayush side the networks are not clear, so I'll tell. These are the apps which are for smartphones and tablets. Means these apps we use in our smartphones or tablets. The main part is that they don't require so much space. As if I am having a app, same app I am having for a laptop, it would be requiring lot of space. And same app if I would be using in a phone, and the phone app is made small because हमारा phone में मेमोरी उतनी नहीं होती है और हम थोड़ी ज्यादा उसकी रैम की जरूरत नहीं होती है, इसलिए हम थोड़े छोटे ऐप बनाते हैं ताकि सब पे वर्क कर सके. जैसे यूडिटी ऐप आपका मोबाइल ऐप भी है और आप उसे मोबाइल पे भी यूज कर सकते हो. सो इट इज स्मॉल इन साइज, मीन्स यू आर गेटिंग so many things in just a small app, और उसका साइज भी बहुत स्मॉल कर दिया है. ओके, एंड इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड कि डेस्कटॉप ऐप तभी काम करेंगे जब वेब ऐप होगा, या वेब ऐप तब काम करेंगे जब डेस्कटॉप ऐप होगा. इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. ये सारे इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं. इंडिपेंडेंट का मतलब इनको रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती है किसी की भी. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स टेक अ सॉफ्टवेयर एडिटिंग प्रोग्राम. Photoshop from Adobe is a photo editing software which must be installed on a desktop or a laptop. This Photoshop is only installed in desktop or laptop. And Pixels also provides photo editing software as a web application available at. Means if you want to edit something, how many of you have done photo editing in your computer or in your mobile phones? Yes, others, have you done ever you have done editing? How many of you have used Snapchats for clicking the pictures? Raise your hand. Snapchats, different ideas. Yes, Pari is raising the hand. So Pari, if internet is not there and you have not downloaded a particular design, then would you able to open that design?
No, ma'am. In that we
Okay. Similarly, you are having some apps like Facebook, Outbox, Suits. These all are the apps which are available for each and everything. For example, I want to download in, I want to use it in desktop, I can use it, and either I want to use it in mobile, I can use it in mobile also. So these are the apps. Now let's come to the classification of mobile apps. What are the classification of mobile apps? There are two types of apps in mobiles. One is native app and one is hybrid app. If I'll tell you in Hindi, you will understand it in just one way, that what is native app and what is hybrid app. Which are already there in your mobile phone are the native apps. Means Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, camera. These are GPS. These are things which you never download your phone, and these are already inbuilt in your phone and they are there. So you don't need to download it. So it is the native app. जो चीज आपके मोबाइल में पहले से ही है और आपको उसको डाउनलोड करने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसको बोलते हैं नेटिव ऐप. और see here it is written also, it is most native apps are pre-installed on a new phone and can also download it from Play Store. Means for example, you can update it, and if they are not working properly, you can install them. Now let's go for some hybrid apps. Hybrid apps, you can say native apps are also apps specifically for operating system and devices, means on which the phone is working. And hybrid apps are, for example, your Udity app. आप लोगों को जरूरत थी इसलिए आप लोगों ने डाउनलोड करा. PUBG आप खेलते हो इसलिए आप लोगों ने डाउनलोड करा. मैं नहीं खेलती तो मैंने डाउनलोड नहीं करा. It is completely dependent on your usage. Okay, Janvi, you have to explain me native app. Yes, Janvi, explain me native app.
Ma'am, native apps, ma'am, are those apps which are automatically are in our phones. We
Okay.
don't have to install them.
Okay. Now Farman will tell me what are the hybrid app, and can hybrid app be same for everyone? Yes, Farman.
Ma'am, apps which we need.
Yes, I am listening, beta.
Ma'am, apps which we need for our use.
Okay, they can be same? Your usage app and my usage app can be same?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Bhavya, you have entered late in the class. Still, I am able to see Devansh, Heram, Priyansh, Nidhi, and many more students are there. Those who have not made their video visible. Bhavya is there. Adarsh is there. And yeah, please make your video visible. I want to see your faces. I would not be repeating it again. So please make your video visible. Now let's go for uses of some common app. we'll be going on some uses. I'll explain you the uses. Okay. Uses means आप कहाँ use करते हो apps. For example, आप अभी किस चीज के लिए यूज कर रहे हो? आयुष अभी किस चीज के लिए यूज कर रहे हो? आयुष स्पीक, अभी किस चीज के लिए यूज कर रहे हो आप? Ayush, your signals, beta. Okay. You right now you are using your app for studying. So this is an educational app. Means the apps which are used for education are educational apps. You are using it for education, so it is an educational app. And now for social networking, like you are using Facebook, you are using something else, you are using Facebook, you are using Twitter, you are using anything in which by which you can get in contact with your friends. That is a social networking app. Means increasing your social, open to everybody. You can place your photos, videos, like you do, upload, participate in the activities, put your photos on the school page. That is a social networking. Means you want everybody to see it. So what are the common uses? We use it for educational purpose, like we are using Udity for our educational purpose. For social networking, we are using it as a social networking. Now there are some social networking sites. Let's talk about some social networking sites. कौन सी होती है? सबसे पहला फरमान बताएगा. Yes, फरमान. कोई भी एक social networking site बता दो. I'll give you. Very good. Next, Ayush, tell me. Facebook. Very good. Facebook. WhatsApp and Facebook has been done. Now, others, it's your turn. I have unmuted you. Tell me one more app. Yes. What? Instagram. Very good, Instagram. Let's move on to next. Janvi, unmute yourself and tell me one app. Yes, Pari, you tell me first. Janvi, just wait. Pari, tell me some app. Janvi, you also listen it. One app which is a social networking app. For example, Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram have been told. Now you have to tell some other social networking site. Yes, Pari. Pari, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, Twitter.
Very good. Twitter, we have done 4. Okay, Janvi, it's now your turn. Okay, Janvi, we'll change the question for you. Some entertainment app. आजकल ऐसे apps भी आ रहे हैं ना जिसपे हम movies देख सकते हैं, हम लोग web series देखते हैं. Yes.
Ma'am, Amazon Prime.
Very good. No. It's okay. Only one is okay. Okay. Let's move to Vansh. Vansh, another one is for you. Entertainment app. Tell me some entertainment app.
Hangama app.
Hangama app. Good. Okay. Arnav, tell me one more app.
Netflix.
Okay, Netflix. Oh my God, you all are knowing so many names. Now that's very good. Priyansh has typed ki jab tak, when I'll get the chance, ma'am would be done. So Priyansh is saying Hotstar. Priyansh, you are absolutely correct. Bhavya, I have unmuted you. Tell me some another app. Still one is left. Any entertainment app. Yes, Bhavya, I am waiting, bacha. Okay, so now what we have discussed some common uses. What are the common uses? Educational apps. We have some educational apps. We have some social networking apps. We are having entertainment apps. And we are having app for one more thing. For transferring money and something, we are having banking and finance app. Any example of banking app? Anybody can tell me. Nidhi, you want to try, bacha? I want to transfer. Yes, Nidhi, I want to transfer money. Any app? Very good. Paytm. I have heard that, Nidhi. Now it's Priyan's turn. Priyansh, I have unmuted you. Tell me another app for banking. Yono SBI. Yeah, banks are having very good. Who told me this answer? This answer is told by Devansh Garg. Okay, Vinayak, this time I have unmuted you and you will be telling me.
अच्छा अभी थोड़ी देर में रखते हैं. ठीक है जी.
Vinayak.
Okay.
Vinayak, I have unmuted you and you were talking to someone else. Vinayak, make your video visible right now.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Vinayak, make your video visible. I want to see you. Where are you?
Ma'am, I'm sitting.
No, I want to see that whether you are sitting or not. I want to see it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we all have studied about this apps also. Now there are some e-commerce app. E-commerce app means the apps on which we can buy and sell goods. The apps on which we can buy and sell goods. The apps on which we can buy and sell goods are known as e-commerce app. Okay, so anybody can tell me any example. Now I would change the names. I would go for, okay, I'll go for, okay, Vansh, unmute yourself and tell me any app on which we can do the shopping. Pari, you want to try unmute yourself and tell me any shopping app?
Ma'am, Amazon, Myntra.
Very good. Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart. Nidhi has replied Amazon. Farman has replied Amazon. Priyansh has written Amazon, Flipkart. Absolutely correct. Your answers are correct. They are the e-commerce site. E-commerce का मतलब क्या होता है? वो sites जिन पर हम selling and buying कर सकते हैं. Selling means somebody is selling ना. There are some persons who are selling the things on the e-commerce app. Okay. Now, a very common question. Vinayak will tell me. Vinayak, reply to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Vinayak, tell me how to download an app from Google Play Store. Tell everybody how to download an app from Google Play Store.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम सबसे पहले गूगल प्ले स्टोर खोलना है.
Okay.
फिर सबसे ऊपर एक सर्च बार आएगा, उसके ऊपर लिखना है जोन सा आपको डाउनलोड करना है.
Okay. For example, I want to download Udity app. Then what I have to do? Start explaining it in English also, and then tell me how to download an app.
Ma'am, first you have to open Google Play Store.
Okay. I will open Google Play Store.
And then, ma'am, search bar will come top at the top.
Okay. At the top, search part will come.
Yes, ma'am. Then you have to type there St. Francis World School app.
Okay. I will type St. Francis World School app.
Ma'am, then you will get many options. And
Okay. I have to
we
select
also
the
get
correct option. I'll click on the correct option. After that,
ma'am, install option will come. You have to click on install and then the app will install.
very good. This is for installing an app, and there are some terms and conditions also of the app. Sometimes you have to click on the terms and condition. And if it is a
Yes.
payable app, means sometimes you are having a payable app, then you have to pay and then you would be able to install that app. So very good, Vinayak.
Yes.
But next time, Vinayak, when I would be speaking, you would be there in the class, so that if I unmute you, then you should not be speaking to somebody else. Okay, bacha?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we have already done with our downloading and installing an app from Google Play Store. And this was the question which was, now let's see, there is one common thing which we would be studying today. Janvi, please check your network connections once, bacha, because from my side the network is absolutely okay. Now, the point which we are going to start is, yes, developing your own app. How to develop your own app? Like, see, again, I'll give you the same example. You are using St. Francis World School app. So we have developed it, na? It was not there. We have developed it for our students, for our parents and teachers to use it. So what was the thing which was required for developing an app? Let's study. Look at the different apps available at the Play Store is an amazing experience, but it may give you an immense impression that it is very difficult to make your own app, but it is not. It is very easy. There are several websites which allow you to make your own app in a very short time. Like, see, this app has been introduced last, I think, from last 1.5 years, you are using this St. Francis World School app. So there was a time when it was created. Okay. So if you want to build an app from a scratch, there are some sites. For example, a site is Scratch. Have a control over the design. A sound background in a programming will be very helpful. For example, you can add background with page which you want to add. You can even add designs and sounds which you want to hear. And now you have to make an Android app. Okay, so you have to download an application that is, or you want to have a kit that is Android Software Development Kit. What is it? Android Software Development Kit. This is very important. For developing an app, you should be having this kit, Android Software Development Kit, and a knowledge of languages. As last time we have started studying language, and you were asking, ma'am, what is the need of studying language? So language is required here. Okay, because it is used for creating an application programming interface. Means creating an interface means creating the graphics, creating the things which you want. Like in your St. Francis World School, you are having different tabs: homework tab, classwork tab, notice tab. इन सबको क्रिएट करने के लिए क्या होता है, एक इंटरफेस चाहिए होता है, हमें एक लैंग्वेज चाहिए होती है. तो हम उन सब चीजों को पहले क्लैरिफाई करते हैं, फिर हम ऑडियो स्टूडियो पे जाते हैं गूगल के, and then we just start working on it. It is possible to develop a simple app without prior knowledge of programming. The answer is yes. If you want to make a very simple app, you don't want to use any graphics, no logos, just simple app. So you should be having this simple things and you can just make it. Go to Android Studio in Google like Eclipse and just you will click on it and it will show you an option. Then you can create your own app. And it is very easy. There are some sites are also given in which you can just find the app builders application. And from here you can try it. Like it is AppyPie at http www.appypie.com, appsbar.com. Here you can create your own apps. So I think this was it for the chapter.